All right. Hello, everyone. So where was we? Where were we? Okay. Great, maybe heal battle item. Make sure container is properly cleaned up. I believe it is. But the contents... I need to make sure the contents are... Okay, let's look into this. Battle group, no, we need battle controller. There. This thing. So we do we do spawn it when we are in the UI control? No, in here, in the this thing. Use battle item. So we spawn it here, and when we spawn it, we initialize it with this data. Clean up. We do that, but do we use the cleanup anywhere? Yes, at the correct places. So, I mean, the only thing that now has to disappear is the ability itself. So after the do ability, after ability use, blah blah blah, do ability, which then goes to the timed thingy here, and then we say call calculation done, ability done. Well, this is the abstract ability, but the same code goes for, and then the cleanup. Yes, so if I go here in the battle system abilities to our little item here, and then time thingy, call ability done, cleanup. So this cleanup is this thingy. Where is it? Cleanup ability, it destroys itself. So in my book, this is confirmed. Make sure containers properly cleaned up. Contents, yes, and there's only one content which is already cleaned up, and that spawns an ability which is in turn cleaned up. Okay. This, I will go into this when we start polishing. Battle item delete after use. We are talking about our storage itself. Check cleanups maybe. I'm not sure what we have to check. We already did. Battle item delete after use. Okay, now we have to dig in. Use battle item, this spawns it. Which means we have to delete this We spawn it. We have to remove it. Remove index this thing. Voila. It's gone. So next time we open that menu again, it should be gone. We can actually test this now, right? I believe. Right? Yes. Let's test. We have one in our inventory right now. Which will kill these guys though. So maybe we should cancel this. I'm rather amazed that the cinematics didn't kill our normal camera. Alright, but now we go in, press space, so the attack begins. Boom, they're dead. And this shouldn't go through. Ah, we have to remove and set back the UI, because now I have to press this to refresh this. Okay, so we have to do that part. Use battle item. Can we escape from it? Am I? B. Battle UI. We even... Where does it go through? How do we do this? We are in battle, and then space. But our W and oh, I think I forgot. I never implemented this, right? This is... oh. This goes deeper than I thought. Damn. This is the problem. Okay, that's why I was so confused, because we never implemented the selection itself. Means we don't even have the menu back button. We need to implement this thing. Menu interaction battle UI. Are we in this X active key? We are not, right? We never go this thing. How do I do this? Damn. Normally we would just go to UI and then let the UI handle it. Should I make a separate battle UI for this mode too? Where do we switch this? That UI mode battle. Overworlds. There is this. Course. This is not true. Because we are in Battle UI always. I still need to press W and whatever. I need to lock this when I'm in the item selection. I need to make another mode here. Battle item selection. My problem right now is I can do another mode here, no problem. But I don't like that we are going here and then doing another check. Just aesthetically, I don't like it. It should maybe go to here, battle UI, and then just do this. Or just to UI and then go through here. Maybe I'm just over engineering here though. Let's not do that. Okay, it goes here, checks for this thing. Battle item select. We need to change the UI to this when we open that menu. And then we have to make sure we go back to Battle UI again. Do we ever change to Battle UI? No. In what state are we when we start a battle? Maybe we should print that out. When are we ready? Ready. And this is after another round. Initialize, prepare maybe. Explosion done, listener. Camera listener. What happens after this? Nothing, I guess. Let's do it here. Print. Append. Error. And the key. Just so we know what's going on. not set. We could use this and then now switch to Battle UI since we have it here, but I will probably never use it anyway, but... Man. If we are here, switch W S enter goes away. Now this. Go. Like so. When we press escape, we want to go back one menu. Something to consider. But first, we have to switch to this menu. Clean it up. How do we get to this? Add widget. Enabled. Where do we do this? Here. Instead of this, maybe we could do everything in here just without this thing. Open menu without save. How about that? Or this is open menu, and this is open menu, and memorize previous. No. This will be called that. Open menu. Is this guy? Remove this. And this now open menu. Just with that. I'm just not sure about this lower part. Maybe. Yes. If true, do this. Should be fine. Open. What happens with close? Input router. Huh. Here, what do we save here? Input router. Close menu and restore previous. And now here remove widget and this part is for the previous thing. Maybe it needs access. like so. Let's look if this. Well, this certainly works. Okay. I am doing it wrong here. I should go with this. This is not good. I have an architectural problem here. Like, I want to build a tree, but it's turning into a graph instead. I don't want that. So maybe I have to ditch this approach. Will always be Battle UI. Makes no sense. What I need to do is actually this. And I don't even have the currents. Where's our Battle UI anyway? Battle UI mode. Okay. So what we need is get current Battle UI mode, which if it's main or not set, goes up. Like so. Else it goes here. Now we are cooking. Goes up. Down. When the menu opens, is it on main already? Could be. Okay, so from not set to main, we have to show the buttons. On main to not set, we have to hide the buttons. On main to battle select, we have to hide the buttons. On select to main, we have to show them. And we have to get rid of this. Hope. Correct now. Oops. So item got removed. The UI works. And I'm happy. It maybe delete after use. Like that. After item confirm, remove item and make list visible. Oh, this is more complicated. And we have to check the check item selection, which can only happen when we have multiple items. And we also want to make a healing item. Maybe let's do that, and then we have two items instead of copying the damage one. Make input router battle UI logic. We just did. We just did. A little janky, but matter what we do, we always need this. Okay. Which one do we want to solve first? The bottom one or the top one? Top one is easy. Bottom one. Well, this is done. But this thing. This will kill me, I think. Okay, let's dive into it. Into madness. What happens? We have to cancel stuff. After use, blah blah blah. Do abilities. Calculate order. That's important. Not important. Does an item I use cause my own guys to die? Will that ever happen? Should I leave that option open? Like a kamikaze bomb or something like that, where the whole board just gets killed. Could be a very fun item. Risk rewards and stuff. Anyway. Do abilities. So I need a check in front of this. If one or the other board is empty, has no targets. I have to check something real quick. I have a little suspicion. There's a slight chance that I implemented something really, really bad. Let me check. Nope, it's correctly implemented. When I use an item, this part will never happen. Because you can never have your summoner select a formation or an element where there is no ARPling, so I guess we are safe. Okay. But what I wanted to do is... what if there is no target? No target at all. So do I calculate anyway? And then in do abilities we look and see what's going on. Maybe that's a better idea. Maybe I have to cancel the charge. But then again, where do we do the targeting? This is so janky now. We create them then. After this thing, our first charge is done. We go to first, go here, and we create the ability, and the ability itself checks for targeting or cancels. Here. Damn it! So I need to make a checker now. Not for the ability, but the battle controller itself. I have to duplicate a function I'm using here, which is this. And I really don't want to do this one. Then again, I want an ARPling to cast if it's casting healing. Right? Do I then do a checker if it's a helpful one or not? And if it's a helpful one, then do your charge. And if it's an attack, just be idle? Am I complicating things here? Should I just make them charge anyway? But if they charge, they deplete MP. We don't want that. Why? How am I supposed to do this? I don't need something this complicated. I just need to find out if there is an enemy in front of me. So what I should do is get competitor my foe, and then check the slots, right? What I have to do is like slot get what is it called again? Fight here. I need to check all of these. They are valid. Okay, now we can go one step further. What if my item killed the summoner? Killing the summoner should trigger and end game. Then I don't even have to check these. If end game, then cancel everything or something like that. Do we have something like this? Battle end. We do have it. This is awesome. That battle end fade. Where do we do this? And summoner. The summoner is dead. We are doing this. That's awesome. So, what we have to do where do we do it again? Here. What we have to do is get our opponent or the second slot competitor. Look for these. Before we do that, look for this. If battle end true, then we do nothing. Then I don't even have to do this, because the battle cannot be ended if this one is still there. And if I have a special case, then I have to revisit this part. But we have to check these three. If one of them is valid, we have to go through. If they are not valid, I have to flag everyone that does a damaging ability. So if battle ends, we cancel. If it's not ended, we check. If there is one, we go in. If there is none, we only do the helpful abilities. Oof. Now how do I flag so they can do it? Do charge animations, first ARPlings. What we do already if they're KO or sleep, then they do nothing. So we could give them a status that says be idle for 1 round and then just remove it again. And it gets removed anyway. Because if I add a status key here, I have already a thing that I need to do it in the temporal one, which then looks in and removes it at some point. Where is it again? Temporal status map. Check. Damn it. I don't want to check it. I want to... Ah, wait. I know where it is. Here. In the resolve phase. Resolve HP status effect. There we go. And here it goes to decay. So if I have a temporal one, I will add one. I still don't know how, but temporal status to clear, whatever. So I have to add one here. Then it goes here. Get index -1. So the value is what the rounds -1. If it is 0 or smaller, add unique to clear, and then we remove it. Perfect. We already have the function. I can just flag it. This might be very easy to do then. Okay, so we have to do this. This will just go in nowhere. Then I need to target. This is the second one here. No, competitor. First, second, no. Arena. Competitor 1. Where is it? This guy. Ding, ding, ding. This we don't need. Valid. So if any of these is valid, then we don't care, we go in there. So if those both are true, then just continue your thing. If battle is ended, you can stop everything anyway. But if not... Oh. Okay, how do I flag mine now? I do have the means to see what to do, but now I have to find out if they're healing or not. How do I do this? I would need to know. Do we have anything on the abilities to be able to determine if it is healing or not? Item, where's the data? Here. Why are we here? So name, ability, asset, ability type, physical, whatever, charge type, target type, single heal, multi-heal, resurrect, wall, and so on. So anything but single attack and multi-attack. I might actually be able to pull this off. Okay, so then you get the competitor 0. And I need the front ones now. Fighting. Zero. Fighting. One. Fighting. Two. If valid. 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 Okay, and then how do we set a status effect? Status. Let me look into this real quick again. Is this a fighting entity object? KO. How do we do this? How do I add status effects? Where did... Know where I do one. I need the damage of an abstract ability. Do physical feature, we go here. And then I would need the Orpling. Fighting this one, and then damage, there we go. And then apply or override status effect. I guess this is part of the Orpling fighting entity, so I need to cast it. Okay. Apply or override with payload. So I can give it a status effect by casting to Orpling and then apply status effect, and then payload is 1 and the status key is be idle. But only if it's an attack. How do we find out? Ability. Get Orpling ability type. Break. Switch. Jump. No, that's not what we want. How do I get the Orpling's ability? Does the fighting entity temporal stats, internal stats? I have to go to the internal stats. Internal stats, get, and then from there ability. No, get info, and then ability. Break. Okay, but there must be a function to get the ability itself, because I'm creating them, right? Do charge animations, whatever. We are still there, which means first and then create ability, first and second competitor, current or playing, ability data asset. How do we determine? So competitor, current, and then we do battlefield group, blah 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 blah, summoner, Almet. So we look at the formation, and then what? Just find it. Here, we do this. Exactly what I was typing in there. Ugh. Fine. I have to put all of this into a function at one point. But I still have to concept. So we have to get the competitor. No, wait. Local elements, that was... this thing. So we do this. This goes in here. And this will be this guy. Which is this thing. Already. Okay, so boop. Boop, boop, boop. And then we find. And we already have it then. So if I do find, do this, then we have the ability. And then type. Ability type. Switch. And we have it. No. Not ability type. Switch. No. Type. Charge target ability. What is it then? Where did I have it? Here, wait. Target type, single attack. Okay, never mind. Type, target, boom, switch, and here we have it. And then we add this here and here. And if there are any of this, then we don't do it. Okay. Now I just need to add this into a function, put it in here. From there we go in here, and we're golden. Should be golden. What do we call this? Make player or playing's idle if make player or playing's idle make attacking or damaging potential. How would I call this? I mean, we are in the attack, but we are talking about Orplings that can use attacks and not the ones who can heal. Make attack ability player Orplings. Oh god. What a function name. Okay, this. And this part should be also a function called something like decide, or not decide, check if battle ended or there is an opponent to attack, or something like that. Check viable round? Something like this, I don't know. Check round. This is not such a good name for this, but I really don't care right now. From here we go here. And then do I just make a whatever? And battle end should go to nothing. So do I put this inside? I don't want. Why would I make a function then? I guess I should make a function out of this. Check viable targets and set and mark for idle. Yeah, this works. So we get this into this, and then we make this to here, and this will go to that thing anyway. So if any of these are valid, do nothing. And if none of them are valid, do this thing, which will be this thing. So we do this after this, which goes in here, and then we are golden. Oh, okay. So, next step, we implement this. Let's think. Fighting entity. I could make a function out of this, because we are always entering with this thing and do this. Check orb ling valid and set idle. So this thing needs to go with a fighting entity. Fighting entity. And we can just copy all of this to this. Instead of having 3 of this, just have 1. Here, in here, and in here. Competitor 1, okay. So this is a problem though. This I don't like, so maybe we should go in with a competitor. Competitor, is it called a competitor? Abstract owning. Like so. Here, boom. Hey, ATA. I don't know how to say your name. What's going on here? Well, I'm implementing some stuff for battle items, which is very complicated right now. But how are you doing? Thanks for chatting, man. So we do, if valid, we go in here. I'm almost done here, actually. We are almost at the place where we can test this thing. Ah, I see. How many are streaming Unreal right now? As far as I know, there are always very little people, how to say, few people who are actually working in Unreal and streaming. At least the last time I checked. So okay, and then we do this thing. Be idle. So then we have to go with this. Introduce abilities, blah blah blah, and then wait, do this. Copy this into here. Maybe write it all small. Not that it matters. Who knows? And then do this. And we're golden. Well, welcome. How are you doing? Okay, wait, this should work now. So if we go here, we do this, and then we do this, which means we have to do this and get rid of all of this and do this 3 times. And voila. Our function is done and should be working. Let's see if it does though. My project, well, it is, how to say, rather in the early stages, since I'm only working on my free time on this. Yes, but only like 1 or 2 hours per day, so the development is not that far, let's say it like that. But I am nearing the stage where the prototype is future complete, but that means like we are maybe 10 or 20% done with the whole journey. Yes, I have another job. But yeah, my project is, how to say, it's an RPG. You could look at it like a monster collecting clone, maybe. The different part on my game though is that you don't control one, you have like a board that you turn around. But I can show you in a bit when we test, and I can show you how the thing actually works. I just need to check if everything is in order, which should be. So clean up battle container, blah 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 blah, and then we check if any of the enemies are valid. If any of them is valid, then we don't do anything here and just go to this part. And if not, we set our things to idle. Okay. Well, not in games. My other job is not in games, but it's still developing, and I'm still using Unreal. Okay. Here goes nothing. I hope it works. I went crazy there right now. But I can explain something here. So wait. We are like in the start area, yes? This will be like a temple or something where you can shop, talk with people, whatever. And it is basically like this front area, and you are in this mountain area. There's this big mountain. And you can go to the right. There's a teleporter here, which transports you into this middle field. And when you look up, you will see some islands floating around, and they are like chained into the air. And your task is to get to the top and find out what's going on. Yes, this is like a base or whatever, a temple. I don't know. I have to make a concept for it. And then you jump up and you are on this island. On this island, you have these swarms, these Orpling swarms. They will always land, jump around and whatever. And there's like something going on, why they go crazy or something. But basically you go around, fight them, collect energy, you find a key which is in a cave, and then you go to an exit and go to another island. The special thing about these islands is that there is not only one side, you can also, where is it? I think here. Jump to the other side. And there are other Orplings here, which are in other elements. We have 6 elements which represent the light side and the dark side. And the light side Orplings are like cutesy and look awesome, and the ones on the dark side also look cute, but also more scary or weird maybe. And then when you're on a fight, like here, you have some options you can take. Right now we are on the fire side. Fire side is specialized in offensive magic. But we could also change to the corresponding dark side, which is lightning, which is optimized for physical attacks. And their color is cyan, the fire side is red. They're like complementary colors here. We have also the water side, which is blue, which is for healing and stuff. The other side is air, yellow, which is for harassment or maybe other things. And then we have the defense side, earth, for physical defense. Yeah, it's kinda like Pokemon, but you don't actually control the Pokemon themselves. You don't tell them what to do. What you do is change the element. And we have the crystal side, which is defense against magical attacks. So if I go now, for instance, go to crystal side and confirm my rounds, something broke. Damn it. I have to find out I guess the thing I just added here breaks everything. Or I cannot confirm anymore. I have to see input controller, UI, current battle mode. I pressed enter. It should go here. I have to look into this real quick. The cool thing about Unreal and blueprinting is that you can actually live see what's going on with your code. I can show you in a bit. Hey RD, how are you doing, man? Wait. So we can start this thing and then go into this thing. And then if I press enter, we should be able to see what's going on here. And as we can see, the code actually goes here. So the error is not here. Thanks, you guys. But we have a very long way to go still. Thank you, man. Alright. So we do accept round, but why doesn't it go through? What's going on? And now we have an input lock, which means probably my newest addition blocks something. So we should maybe look into this part and debug. Battle oh! Oh, wow. Of course. Thank you, man. I just edited it today. But here's my error. If you guys can see, it's pretty logical why it's not working anymore. What I'm doing here is I'm looking at this variable, and if it's true, battle end true, then we go in. If battle end is false, we do nothing. But I mean, we want to do something if it's not ended, so I have to go with false. This is a very stupid thing I did here. I'm very sorry. It should work now, though. So let's see. Anyway, where was I? I was going to show you what happens if I fight against these fire monsters with a crystal formation. So I'm switching to crystal. We have these guys which are good against with offensive magic, but these are good against defending offensive magic. So we start. They charge some attacks here, which if I did this round more, they would have a devastating attack. But my mushroom in the middle made a little shield. Now if they attack this magical shield instead. Now I can go and switch to my offensive side and just attack them without worrying that they could kill me. So I can go here, they try to attack again, my shield is very strong, and now they attack with an area of effect, and we're done. Next wave comes, and now what I actually want to do is to test my item, because before my item is very strong. It is a magical attack. It will kill these three, and then my Orpling started to charge again without doing anything, so I want to avoid that. So we do use item and use it. Boom, they're dead, and we're still charging. We don't want this. So the code I'm here writing is actually to avoid this charging. I wonder what happens. Let's see. Do not item, do attack. Where was it? So abilities, charge. So we do be idle. This should be on true now. Do we check this anywhere else? KO maybe? Maybe I have to add this somewhere else too. Oh my god. I am right now. So we have this thing and this thing. First Orpling, blah blah blah. But this is not for the charging. But I should do it here too. What is this? Second, this is the same. Well, it should not override. No. Should not. But I need it here anyway. So let's add it here. I have to debug that part and see what's going on. Let's think. So if we are at charge, maybe they are not flagged with this. No matter, we should just go and check from here. Alright. So we attack with that thing. Ah, okay. Well, battle's over. I have to attack the one with more Orplings. By the way, Artie, how are you doing? Did I ask already? I'm not sure. I forgot. How was your day? Okay, now this is also the small one. We can cancel with my develop cancel button. Now, this one we want. Come here. So then we start it, boom, and then we go in here. So let's see. Not in scope, that's a shame. But the tree should be... Why are they valid? This is the problem. It thinks that it is still valid. I have to look if they are valid and dead. Okay, so this is the problem. Alive. Is Orpling alive? What do we check here? KO. Alive, valid. Check Orpling. Alive of front and add to array. Valid and alive of Orpling. Oh, you have holiday. I see. You well, yes, everyone has holiday. I'm sorry. Do you have a bridge holiday too tomorrow? Not a family vacation. Ah, okay. And games all the time. I see. Excellent after. Wait, you're relaxing from your vacation? I see. So we're checking validity and then alive. We should do this 3 times then. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. And the return Orpling, we don't care. We just do this. This and this. Don't care about this. Boom and boom. Okay, now this, I think this part should work, but maybe there's... Ah, wait. Damn it. You mean Turkey? Well, yes. I see. Okay, we cannot use the code, sadly. What we can do is this though. Wait, where is this function from? Is it from here? Or is this a... Ah, this is a function library. Maybe I should add this to the function library instead. Where am I using this? Okay, now I'm confused. Here we go. Okay. I need this. Check. Where is it? Nine. Check valid. Blah blah blah. I hate when Unreal just adds spacing. I want this in here. And I cannot just copy the function. Where was it again? Here. Check valid and alive of Orpling. Check valid and alive of Orpling. Copy. Add. What? Local variable? Why is there an add? So this thing, where are we using it? We are using it here. We have to deprecate this. Deprecate. So now I can just check it everywhere. And we get this. Return Orpling and Orpling fighting entity, same. So we add Orpling fighting entity. Alive and valid. Alive and valid. Return Orpling and this thing. So let me just copy this part. Never mind. Is Orpling alive? This and this and this. Like so. Right? Okay. And this thing. Okay, now can look into all of these and remove this. Get deprecated. Check valid. Boom. 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 Copy this. Okay, one. And two. Important, there are two nodes there. This guy and this guy. This guy and this guy. Think. I think we did it then. Deprecated. No more there. Just need to do this. Cannot. Still can find it here now, but this thing is gone, right? Yes, so I can just kill this. Bye bye. Function is still being used. It's a problem because if I say find references, cannot find it, but I guess these three. Check, wait, validity, boom. The return, don't care. This and goes in here. So maybe now I can delete them? Yes, perfect. Refactored something. And now I hope this works. This goes in here and then we see how it goes. So we go to this breakpoint again and then see if it actually works. Boop, boop. We don't want the small fry, but I have to maybe start the battle and cancel it. It's over faster. The error comes from me pressing key. Maybe I should make all of them with more orb links, but I'm too lazy. Whisperings. Why do you want to whisper? Okay, so we choose the item, boom, and then we go in here. So boom, boom, boom. False, false, false. We go and mark. Boom. Check if he's valid. Is he single attack or multi-attack? Yes, he is. Apply a status effect, which is a temporal one. We add status animation. We don't have a status animation for this. Parent should do nothing. Go out. Go out. The data table should have nothing to find. So it goes to the error. Interestingly. So maybe I have to make a special case here for ones that are not part of this. And so we added. Calculate operation, do animations. Goes in here. Do charge animations. Yes. And now they all should go to true here. Right? This cannot go to false. Yes. Also cannot. Why only 2? Charge animation. How did we end up here? Aren't there 3 in here? Which openings are we looking at? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, this is... Wait, they are KO. That's why. Ah, they were first and KO. That's the problem. Okay. Whatever. We don't care about this. Gods. Yes, yes, whatever. Okay. Solve. Can we go to the next? Ah. Resolved everything. Whatever. What kind of link do you want to send? Send me here. Marketplace. I never use plugins because they are like, how to say? If I want to update my Unreal version, then I have to wait for the plugin to also update. I rather don't use any plugins. What are they then? Tell me if I... Ah, no, man. I always write them on myself. No problem. At least for now. I mean, this is just a prototype. So I can get rid of this. And now you can see that they didn't charge. So it seems to work. Okay, wait. 2 tests now. One with an attacking formation and second with a healing one. No, man, I'm good. So now we start. Boom. There's no charging. The status effect thing I have to keep in mind that we want to make exception for the idle status effect. And now I want to test the healing one. So we change to water. Use the item. They die, and now they have to charge. It fucking works. Okay, holy shit. It just works. Alright. Take care, man. And good luck. Don't die. So we did this. Now we have to make sure that the applied status doesn't do something weird. But how do we do this? Where was that part again? It was in resolve, right? Resolve phase. Resolve status. Wait. No, we do the apply. That's the problem. Here. Where is it again? Here. Boom. Am I? There we go. Here, check, make, blah blah blah. So check and then do apply. Okay, so in the apply here, we have to make sure that we don't do all of this at end if switch. No, I said switch. Default is this, but the exception is be idle for now. Like so. And when we resolve, where is the resolve? Ending cycle resolve. Status effect formation decay. Remove from there, remove from status, blah blah blah. What happens if it doesn't find? If it doesn't find, it doesn't do anything. That's good. And in visual entity, where do I have to look for this? Wait, boom boom. This here maybe. Here. Just tries to remove it. If it doesn't find it, we don't care. It shouldn't make any errors. Which means, of course, that after one idle, should still attack. And if it does, we are done. Then I just need to do the last ticket and we're done for today. What's the time anyway? Oh my god, I streamed so long. Wait, this is the small one. $50-50 chance. Who's landing? This guy. Okay, so we do the item. Boom, they're dead. We don't charge. We press enter. Now they should charge after they are through. Boom, boom, dead. Yes! It works. Okay. So, this is done. Create, maybe heal battle item, check item selection, and then we're done. So let's do an healing item. How did we do it before? Items, battle item. Where are my battle items here? This we need. Item list. We need one more entry here. ID 0004. This one is a test battle heal with ID 0004 in battle by 10 sell 100. That makes no sense. Could be the other way around. And the item class is none. And then we go here and make the linker ID 0004. Now we would need a script for our heal, which is here in abilities, battle items. So we copy anything? Ability, data, asset type. Make template. Battle item ability heal small. Then we go and open our little water test here. This one, please. And copy the things over. Still need this. Wait, what is this? Heal. Okay, close it. Open. So heal small. Heal small. We need the ability assets. This is now from parent class item ability. Item ability. Battle item ability heal small. Wait, this is data. And this is small. Okay. Damage small. Timed we have to do maybe. This we need. Guy. Timed we need the same thing. Small. Time. This, and do this. Should be fine here. Then heal small, heal. This is whatever. Magic charge. Multi-heal. Water. What is the power value of our water? Water test. I even have it open. Yes, here. Which is power 30, but I want to heal for 10. Soft damage ratio, we don't have it on heals, right? Yes, critical 1, none. The usage, we don't care. Additional data, we don't care. This is fine. This guy now needs the actions. Our water. Where's the water? Here. Hold. Copy attack pattern. Care about that, I think. Pattern, yeah, okay. It is there anyway. Feel small. Paste. And this is now 10 here. The rest is fine, okay. So. Then here, heal. And we should be good. Maybe I need the text now. Or the item. ID 0004. Test battle heal item. It heals you. Okay, safe. And now we have everything, right? Battle this thing. Item list. Damage, heal. This and this. Okay. So the only thing now left is to add it to our storage. So we have it. ID 0004. And we're golden. And we can also check if the selection works. Come here, you little thingy. Now, maybe I want Earth here. So we get some damage. First round. Got some damage. Can I check it? Fishy, fishy, roomy. Guess it is hidden. Not just get the thing. Leaf. Eternal stat. Roomy. EF. I need Shroomy EM. Tomati. Tomati, fishy, fishy, and this should be Shroomy EM. Go in here. This is the thing, but we cannot look into it. I just need to be... I mean, I could just stop the battle, right? Let's stop the battle. Check. He has damage, we can't see it here. And the healing should do an aerial heal on all of our Orplings. Let's see. The only thing that is now left is making the use item field gray if we don't have any items left. Why do I have 2 heal items? This is concerning. But it heals. Okay. Check. Well, he got healed. I guess he had more damage than 10. Status. How much do we have? Interesting. But yeah. It has 110 HP, so it works. Create maybe heal item that is stun, check item selection. Well, I was able to select. Now, make use item gray and fix first status screen on main status page when choosing, for example, Rumi or something like that. Here, gray out, whatever. And now let's check our little items. Ah, we have it 2 times in there. I already added ID 4 by accident. So that's why we had 2 of them. The 01. What I don't have is item 2, which is valuable. Maybe we should add an item 2. ID 002 01 2 3 4. Okay. This. So the only thing now missing is the graying out of the button, and that's it. Close all of this here. How did we do it for our other things? We can copy the code. I mean, main menu has use item. Front buttons, where is it? Use item, this guy needs to be deactivated somewhere. Only on press. Are you kidding me? Use item. Am I not graying it out? Apparently not. Fine, I guess we have something similar. Orpling manager. Delete, for instance. If we don't have any Orplings, we cannot delete. That is enabled. Check and set availability. And it is on the menu switch. Okay, so check, summoner, whatever. How would we check it here? Check for usable items. For find first item controller. Use item. The list. Clear storage for these things. We have to do is this and then look if it's empty or not. Storage, blah 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 blah. What happens? This one. Boop, boop, boop. And then we go here for true or false. If length is smaller or equal 0, then is enabled. Use item. Maybe I should call it use item button. Like this. And that should be that. So battle, whatever, fill, change UI mode here. Check for usable items. Every time we come to this main menu, do it. Well, I mean, if we are in select and go back to main, it means we pressed escape. We don't need it. But if we come from not set to main, it means we used an item and we have to check. Okay. Do I have to do anything else? I believe I don't. Right? Am I missing something? This one is for later. Let's try. Yes, I'm missing something. I need it for the initialization too. Don't forget, guys. Don't forget. I have to do it for initialization too. So use item. Heal. Ouch. You go to water. To heal item. And we use the last one. And the use item is grayed out. Perfect. Everything works. We are done. The battle items are implemented. Finally. The only thing we need to do is when we create the menu, battle UI menu, battle UI, have it somewhere. Open battle UI here. And then get battle UI and check what was it called? Ah, check for usable items. Check for usable items. Happen here. Move. Now we see if our button is gray at the beginning. And if it's gray at the beginning, we are finally done. And on Sunday I can finally start something new. Like a items shop or something. And it's great. We are done. Alright, maybe I can add the items again. ID 0003. ID 0004. So we are done. This needs to be fixed at some point, not relevant. Can this be implemented in diagram item use? Is this important? I believe this is the normal item, right? Yeah, maybe I will keep this for polishing. Okay. So findable item usage is done. Shop menu, inventory menus are done. Findable items after battle rewards, save inventory, done. Storage system for items. I guess next up is shop. This should be rather easy to do, but we need like a list for shops which they can look into, or maybe I have only one shop but it can be upgraded, then I need different tables or something the like. For findable items, there we need to make more components, like items that are in the floor you can pick up. Although we have keys already, so we can use that code. But we have to make spawn areas or something, or maybe random choose a place on the path to place it, which means I need to block. Maybe I will just make spawn areas or something, and then randomly at the beginning of the island spawn them. And after level rewards, that is also something very, very complicated, because then I need some kind of system that determines what the reward can be. And is it a battle group thing where I can say this battle group gives you this, or is it Orpling based and every kill you do has a chance to drop something? I have to think about a concept here. And then a storage system, because we will have a limited amount of space in our backpack, so you can go home and put your stuff somewhere safe. And maybe if you die, you lose every single item you have. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If anyone is in the chat still, thanks for tuning in. And I will see you guys next time. I wonder, maybe I should stream the game after this, but I will probably just hop in VR chat. Maybe tomorrow. Anyway, guys. Bye bye.